A weather alert day because of severe blowing snow.
Yep, exactly. There will be a possibility for that, mainly north of Highway 30. Even now it's starting to drift closer to the Highway 20 corridor and north of there. As far as what's going on right now and how it's impacting what's to come, it is a rather warm afternoon, and that's going to lead to melting, a crust forming over, and if that crust is strong enough, thick enough, it will keep that snow staying put. It won't be allowed to blow around with these very strong winds. But the farther north you go, you notice it doesn't get too much above that freezing point. In fact, areas like Algona, even close to Fort Dodge and Iowa Falls, going to be hard to get too much above that freezing point for that crust to really solidify things. So that's where things are looking more potential for the blizzard-like conditions, picking up that blowing snow. The farther south you go, in between the Highway 30 and Highway 20 corridor, areas like Ames going up to Boone as well, farther north towards Webster City. These are the areas, including Marshalltown, Carroll, that are kind of yet to be determined, depending on how warm we get, how much melting, and how much of that top crust layer we can get. We've already seen the winter storm watch to the northwest turn into a high wind warning, and that would seem likely for parts of central Iowa, at least a possibility. Farther south you go, including the metro, Polk County, Dallas County, farther south, in a wind advisory set to go into effect later on, up to around 60 miles per hour gusts still possible. So we could even see that wind advisory jump to a high wind warning, at least for some of the counties I just mentioned. Looking at the wind gusts as we get to around 10 p.m. and beyond, going around 2 a.m. is when we're expecting them to be around the strongest, give or take an hour. So we are going to be looking at them really climbing overnight after midnight, around 50 to 60, even around a chance of 60 to 65 mile per hour gusts, mainly for the northern half of the state. That's where we are expecting to see the strongest. That is closest to the core of low pressure that's causing these stronger gusts. And then as we go throughout Wednesday morning, still for the morning commute, still going to be very windy. So you're still going to have very strong crosswinds to deal with as we go to around 8 o'clock. And then beyond that, going into Wednesday afternoon, that's whenever those winds will finally start to calm down. But even throughout the day, adding on to the crust factor, we are going to have a chance of rainfall, and then we'll have that push on out really later afternoon, early evening, and then moving out closer to the northern border. We could even see a rain-snow mix, adding to a little bit more of the tricky travel situation for this evening. But overall, a quick burst of rain and even a mix, and then we'll see a little bit more of light snowfall, mainly just a dusting of as far as overall potentials, but that's going to be blown around so much you won't even really notice it very well. And then as we jump into Thursday, we're looking at our next chance for light snowfall, mainly around 1 at most. Some spots could reach around 4 inches. It's not a big snowmaker, but could be our next potential weather impact day. Could lead to some slick roads, so we're keeping an eye on Thursday. We're also monitoring Saturday for additional snow accumulations.